Eileen, how are you?
I'm good, teacher.
Okay, so today let us topic let us have review on the day 13. I will share to you now. Can you see this, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Now time for review. We have here some vocabulary word. Lynn, we have health problems. Okay. So do you know what are health problems? Hmm? Do you know what are health problems, Lynn? Lynn, can you hear me? Okay, so Lynn, these are the different health problems that we experience. Okay, some of these are asthma, backache, broken leg, cold, cough, earache, fever, flu, headache, heartburn, measles, rashes, sore throat, stomach ache, sunburn, and toothache. So these are the different health problems that we encounter. Okay, so different. So what health problems have you encountered week ago? Lynn, can you hear me? What are the problems that you encountered Lynn week ago? What do you think, Lynn? The problem that you encountered week ago. What do you think?
Oh,
The one that you encountered a week ago. The one that you experienced a week ago.
oh, can you say again?
Hmm? You experienced what?
What?
What problems, health problems that you encountered 1 week ago or last month?
Uh,
What health problems that you encountered?
uh, I have a sore throat.
Sore throat. Okay. What happened, Lynn? Why you got sore throat?
Because I drink cold water and eat ice cream too much.
Oh, yeah. If you think you eat ice cream too much, Lynn, the problem is that you will gonna have sore throat if you will not drink water. So you have to drink water after you eat ice cream, but please don't drink cold water. So you have to drink not cold water after eating ice cream. It's very important because if you're gonna go to sleep and still you did not drink water, you did not brush your teeth after eating ice cream, so you will gonna have the tendency you're gonna have sore tooth. Okay, and that's not good, of course, to have sore tooth. Okay. So this one, occupation Lynn. So we have here occupation. So these are the different occupations. So what occupations, Lynn, that you really like the most when you grow up? What occupations you will gonna want or you want to be when you grow up someday?
I want to be a veterinarian. Veterinarian.
Oh, what? You want to be a veterinarian. They are the doctor of the animals. Do you love animals, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Mm. So they will gonna have, okay, like that. Okay. So now, so we have here, Lynn, different vocabulary. We have dress, skirt, blouses, high heels, sandals, gloves, pajama, trousers, and sweater. Are you familiar with all of this clothing?
Yes.
Mhm. So these are the different clothing that is shown. Okay, so what clothing do you like or you are comfortable to wear with?
I feel comfortable when I wearing t-shirt and short.
Oh, you're comfortable when you try to wear t-shirts and shorts. Okay. So we have here, we talked already about the review on present simple. You know this already, the present simple tense. You have to use S for singular lin, R for plural, and of course am for I am. So you cannot say IR or IS. That's wrong. Okay? This is statement lin. This is negative statement. It means negative. It means negative, you have to put not. The yes or no questions. Okay, am I an engineer? Are you a student? Is he in the room? Okay, these are yes or no. So it means you will have to answer this. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay, so yes and no only. So we call the answer a short answer because very short. Answerable by yes or no, very short. So you have to call this a short answer. Okay, understand, Lynn?
Yes,
Lynn?
teacher.
Okay, so these are the common irregular verbs. What we mentioned if we are going to talk about verbs. Okay, so we have base form, the past simple, and the past participle. Okay, always remember, Lynn, that past simple is different from past participle tense. Okay, so but there are cases that past simple and past participle, they are the same. Okay, so but somehow, mostly they are not same. Okay. So when you say example, a walk, it's a walking. This is from the base form, awake. The base form, the be verb, we're talking here past simple, so was or were. Was singular, were plural, and the participle is been. Okay. Be, was, or were, or been. Okay. So we have here hide, hid, hidden, shake, show, shaken. Okay, so these are the common irregular verbs. Okay, now Berlin. Okay, so we have also the present continuous tense. And this is the tenses lead with the ing form, like playing, okay, like dancing or running. So they are present continuous. We call this as present continuous lead because of the word he is. Okay, because of the word is playing. Present from the word present. It's not was playing. It is playing, are playing, isn't playing. Like that. Please try to answer this one. Okay, so look at this. Try to answer. Number 6. Oh, still number 6. You have number 7 on it.
I don't know number 6, teacher. I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, so we have here, you don't know number 7. Okay, number 1, the answer for, wait. Okay, number 1 is, you said it's, number 1 is prepared, 2 is the be verb, it could be is and are having. Okay. Next, number 3, we have the word is my brother is there and he wants. My elder brother is very intelligent. He wants to be a doctor. Is very intelligent. So that is why the succeeding verb will always be singular. Okay. Next one we have is wanted. Okay. He is having a terrible headache right now. Okay. Right now, from the word right now, so we use present continuous. Okay, another. When my parents were young, they loved Rolling Stones. My sister lives in magic. Always rise. Fix on. My sisters believe singularly, so you have also to use singular here. Okay. Next one, Lynn. We have number 7. Okay, so what are you doing? This is question form. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. So the short answer started. What are you doing, Lynn? I am doing my homework, teacher Anne. Okay. So next one we have, oh, nothing. The next one we have was once upon a time. So past tense already. If there was a horrible witch, she loved the past tense, scaring upon children, and she lived near a school. Every day, she waited for children out of their house with a really scary face. Okay, so this is once upon a time. Let's be verbs, of course. Past tense. Once upon a time, past tense. A horrible witch. She loved scaring children and she lived near a school. Every day, they waited for children out of her house with a really scary face. Okay, so it means this witch is not real. It's only a joke witch. Okay, speaking Lynn, I will ask you, Lynn, some of the questions. Okay, number 1. What do you do for a living, Lynn? I mean, your parents. What is your parents do for a living?
My mother is, she is, um, she is so the medical. I don't know what that job is.
Okay, so what do you do for a living or what are your parents living? Is your personality suited? Okay, do you think that the personality of your dad and mom suit to their job? So your mom is a pharmacist working in a hospital or no, nurse?
She is so medical. She sell the medical to the hospital.
Okay, so this one, what is a typical meal from your country? In my country, Lynn, we have rice, egg, ham, and okay, could be chorizo, and another one is nothing. Okay, no one. What is a typical meal from your country? What is
My
the typical meal in your country? In my country, it's adobo. That's the typical meal in my country. Eating
in my
adobo.
in my country, uh, rice, rice, vegetable, and sauce is the typical meal.
Okay. Okay, so these are some part of your typical meal. We also have like ginisa, sinigang. Sinigang is a soup lane. So we also have that kind of historic view in your country and even in my country. What is your most favorite food?
My favorite food is my favorite food is
Your favorite food?
mango.
Mango. Okay. So do you like to go outside with your mom or no?
No, I like to at home.
To go alone with a friend at home. Okay, very good, Lynn. Is another Lynn. How often does your family eat dinner outside?
Uh, we 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 rarely go go out eat. We often eat at home, cook by ourselves.
Okay, so you often go to your home and cook by yourselves. Okay. So it is better to eat inside the house, so it will not be very expensive than eating outside. That would be very expensive too. Okay. So how often does your family eat dinner together? Like, do you eat dinner all the time? In that uh formal, the mother, the father, like that? Do you eat like that? Hmm? Are you
Yeah,
sure? Okay, so yeah. How often does your family eat dinner together? So me, it's every day. Every day I have to
yeah,
open the family and eat together. So for me, it's every day. How about you?
me too. We
And
have to eat dinner together always. We always have to eat dinner.
eating together dinner. Okay, so next one. How often do you exercise?
I rarely do exercise. I often do my exercise at home.
At home. What will
So
you do at home?
I just jump. I play with my jump rope.
Do you have your jumped? Okay, that's actually how often do you do exercise? Okay. What do you think is the most serious health problem in Vietnam? What do you think is the most or the serious problem in Vietnam?
I don't have an idea.
Okay, so here in my country, what do you think is the most serious health problems in my country? Here it's suicidals. It means if the parents doesn't have money, they have to provide. Okay. How often do you go to the doctor, Lynn?
Maybe once a year.
Okay,
Once a year.
once a year only. So, do you like to go shopping, Lynn, for clothes?
Yes.
Very good. What vegetable you gonna eat?
What? What, teacher? Can you say again?
Okay, do you like shopping for new clothes? Why and why not?
I really like to go shopping for new clothes because I I am a teenager, so I have to buy a lot of clothes because I grow very fast. Maybe.
Yes, exactly. So mostly in the shop, but in my school, Lynn, you can open the notebook before the tests. Okay. But I don't know in other schools, maybe they don't like to have tests by online because of the bad weather that we experience now. My country is very hot, but somehow it becomes very, very hard. Okay. So do you like to shop for clothes, Lynn? I like to go to shopping even though I don't have money. I'll just roam around for window shopping. Okay, that's what. How about you? Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
Very good. Okay. Now, what are some of the strangest guests
Uh,
fashions you have seen?
the strangest fashion I have seen that they wear red. They wear dress outside and they wear trouser inside.
Yes, I understand. So where do you plan on going to the future? In the future, where do you want to go?
In the future, I like to go to Disneyland.
So do you have like this in Vietnam?
No.
No. Okay. In my country, they have like this, but of course, I am so scared of heights. That's why I do not attempt to play or to go here in this beautiful place. Okay. So what kind of developments might happen in the healthcare in the future? What kind of developments might happen in healthcare in the future? What do you think will gonna be happen in the future?
What mean of development, teacher?
What kind of development? It means improvement. What kind of improvement might happen in the healthcare in the future in Vietnam? What do you think might the one that you bring when you go to Vietnam? I mean, yeah, what kind of development will happen in the healthcare in the future? Example, you want to go Vietnam, you want to go to another country. So what kind of development might happen in the healthcare? So is there any development?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, so Lynn, okay. So Lynn, we still have 7 minutes. Okay, so we have 7 minutes left. And then as our 8 minutes, Lynn. Lynn, we will just continue the next lesson tomorrow, okay? So if you
Okay.
can come, Lynn, wait. If you can come like 8 p.m., that would be okay for me, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yes, okay. I will just add more time tomorrow because this topic is not from the very beginning. So I have to add more time tomorrow. Okay, I will share it
Okay,
in
teacher.
the GC. Okay, so bye for now. See you tomorrow and I will add
Bye,
more
teacher.
for you. Bye bye.
Good.
Good night.